Oh, they're so sunken in.
Yo!
Oh my god! Yo, W music! I feel like a bad bitch.
Yo!
Hey, yo!
Holy. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, ThatBoyDezi here. Back in another video. Today we're going to be going to work on my boy's car. Oh my god. We're going to be working on my boy's FRS. We're going to try and help him get it lower if it's possible. Oh shoot, I can put it up here. Oh! Oh, dash is too big. Yeah, no. We're gonna be smashing his frame and just be revealing his new wheels, so it's gonna be fun. And yeah, catch you guys there. Really outside here.
I don't know where it is. Right there, go up.
Oh, that hole?
It's not a hole, but you know.
Bro, I don't think we're making that.
Yeah, we are. It's plastic. Let's get going. We're good. This is how I did it at home.
Nah, you might break the rest of the plastic trying to get under this.
Hey, that's fine, man. Hey, this year we scraped
Nah,
the frame.
you have at least 6 inches left.
Last time I put it here, it didn't, go well.
Don't do what I did, man. Controls are dangerous.
Yeah, so where do we put it? You put it on the frame, right?
You just got
Like over here will be fine, right?
Yeah, on there. Wait, what is that? Is that the frame? Hey, yo!
That don't sound straight. But we're not doing too much work. We can just put it on the pinch hole.
Alright, pinch
Look
hole
at
it
this.
is. But don't put it on that pin. Wait,
Oh, that's
it's like hanging off.
that's that fender, you know.
Oh my god.
Oh, we're so cooked.
Look, I just twisted that bolt right off.
This
Well,
Look at that
bolt
bolt.
from down there.
Yo!
what are we looking at?
This, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's
Not putting the wheels on today?
No, we are.
Oh.
I don't know if I need to take the fender off to hammer the frame. I mean, I have to probably.
I mean, yeah, you don't want to smack.
I might just crack the thing, but hey.
Because what I seen you do with the drill.
Yeah, we gotta talk about that. Like, yo, why you gotta...
You want to drop it?
Yeah, go ahead slowly.
The other sides you might want to fix.
This uneven, oh my
It's
god.
lower then.
I know, this driveway's cooked. You could just leave it on that, man. No, like... Alright, let it fly? I mean, don't
Fly.
fly, but,
It's even chopped. I chopped that so properly.
it's on something.
That's crazy. I think it should be okay.
Why is that one lifted up? Oh, no.
What do you mean? Oh, it's uneven.
Yeah, hold up.
I lifted it. Hold up. I wonder why I was touching first.
To kick it.
Yeah, man, look.
Okay.
It's not kicking it.
What kind of little bumbo clock?
Yo, we didn't even loosen the.
Nah, I'm telling you that
Okay. Bad. I didn't know who was a mechanic. What's
I'll go
that?
pick up my bro. He's got to his house. He's stuck in traffic, so I'll be back. It's like 5. Pick up my brother.
Oh, bad.
Yo, I like the plate on this.
You like it?
0 funds.
Live like 2 minutes away from it. It's like, oh, word.
Yeah, give a rundown of what we're doing right now.
It's cooked. I'm salvaging this car. I give up.
Yeah, what is going on?
I am not into cars anymore, man. Like, this
Really?
whole thing, I'm an uncle.
And now we're just banging on this. So I'm like,
I don't know. We're trying to get the wheels. All right, we waited for you, man. We're gonna mount the wheels and see how it goes.
Smashing it.
But we scratched.
What?
So we trying to like. I'm trying to like.
Scratch the door?
Not like this a lot.
This? This is you?
you know what deep that is?
We can bring that in the home.
No.
It's a Sans car, bro.
Sans car. It's
I'm done
ratchet.
with Sans, bro. If you're into Sans, kill yourself.
Oh my god. Yeah.
You think it's gonna work?
Yeah, this one's on air suspension too.
You guys love air suspension.
No, we don't.
Throw my remote out and call
$4,000.
myself static. Right?
$1 grand?
That's coolest.
that sound like crazy?
I'm just here, man.
Like look how quiet this neighborhood is, and we're just about to go. Like, that's not it,
Are you sure you're doing it right? Do you have any? Oh, that's your reference.
Oh, whoa! Hold on, bro. I don't think he likes me screenshotting this.
My fault. My fault.
I'm playing. You can show it, but I don't know.
No more.
I feel like he cut it.
I mean,
That was
wait,
definitely cut.
Hey, but he's static, man. I'm not static.
oh
I
yeah,
can
he
lie.
cut it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna be a wheel reveal too. Damn.
Let me see Marcella texted me back.
Who?
She's gonna save us.
Wow, I saw that.
What's this? What is this?
Gift from God, man.
Oh
This,
my
And
god.
you have wheels don't fit, you know, just damn. And you got clean fitment. Fuck what anyone says, but a spacer saves lives, man.
That is a thick spacer.
I got all types of sizes. I'm prepared, but we making these wheels fit no matter what. We torque these to spec. Nah.
The interior ones? Are you gonna put them? Are you gonna take them off?
Nah.
That's a thick spacer.
You haven't seen the one in the trunk. Okay, fine, you know what? I guess I got it. You're right.
You got it. This is your build, not mine.
Spacer, dude.
Oh shoot, I messed up the star pattern. Oh.
Salvage. So if fans want to ride the crazy car, you can.
Oh yeah, let me drive it. Let me drive the boat.
So, you just have one gas pedal,
And then,
there's, huh?
how do you brake?
There's no brake. So you just slow down. and then you yank this up if you want to drift.
I'll show you how it's done.
How much horsepower does this got?
I like 270 right now.
Oh, the wheels. The wheels.
Hey, yep.
Even show the people what they are, man.
I don't. They're rough. I didn't put no. Oh, how many hub-centric rings?
Yeah, 100%.
Oh, my TE's never.
You never. That's the cold
Yeah, just look at them. And then wherever you turn the wheels, where the wheel points. So you see the arrow on the top? That's exactly where the wheel is pointing.
You hold it sideways and do what? Hold it sideways.
Yeah. You'll just let it kick out. You guys feel that nice. What do you mean your boy? It's our boy. Jeez! Yes! Oh my god. The legend.
Damn, bro. I don't know if he saw the sound. Shit's not going anywhere, bro.
Get this on the
You gotta go on that side, bro. Oh man,
Yo, look at this guy. Yeah. Try to put bro on Taza, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah.
I want to try with the Feta, bro. That's gonna be crazy. Bro, you bought the Evo.
Bro, don't even. The disrespect
Like how
is
it's facing
crazy.
us too. How long have they been at this? You guys pull up and they already have fenders on?
Yeah. Well, yeah.
I'm just gonna run it, bro. I don't give a fuck, bro. 215 on a 9.5. It's not my daily. Hit it like a man.
Bro, that's.
I got a white CSX, and then this is my Benz that I take everywhere. I run people off the road. I run people into. I run into people, then I drive away. I already did like 2 hit and runs in this car.
Really?
Yo, that ass. Yo, shut the fuck up. Nah, I just incriminated myself still.
Yo, Darius, give a quick update on what's happening.
How much lights do you need, bro?
Yo, I just learned how.
Bro, the focus is not focusing.
Yeah, I got a couple more. Alright.
Alright, now we can
All
shoot
lights
ours.
on Darius.
No, the car. Yo, we made a mistake. Yo, can we expose you on the other side or not? Look, there's already scratches everywhere though. Oh, you turned the wheel, that's why. Oh, there it is. See that?
Well, that's light.
That is a light scratch. Thanks for identifying that.
I'll curve it so you can't tell the difference.
Oh, you're gonna need more stuff. Alright, yo, here it is.
Moment of truth. Oh, the starlight.
Then we'll come down with stars.
Nah, this is hard. This is the first time seeing it.
Yeah.
Yeah, before you're oh my god, bro, you actually snapped. You did all the way to the floor. Okay. Ooh. What the fronts though?
That's fine. Oh, they're so sunken in.
Yo!
Oh my god! Yo, W music! Nah, Darsh, you snapped. That's perfect. I mean,
Is it in?
oh, dude, you're fine.
Fitment.
Hell no, look at that gap. Oh, hell no.
I mean, a bigger spacer could help, but
5mm spacer, you think?
yeah.
I have a 5mm slip on. You want to put it on real quick and see? Bro, the car looks wet right now with the fucking camera. Alright, hit it. Damn, you got the PC coming up too, bro. What the fuck?
Ooh, it's not playing, bro. She's fine. She just cool?
She valid for you.
For me?
Yeah.
You think
I have a strong opinion, so.
Yeah, he hates black girls.
This shit tough. Look inside the car.
Bro, this is low as fuck.
Look up in the car.
Oh, shit. Nah, this is neat. Oh, shit. I'm stuck. Y'all move the seat back or something. Damn. Oh, shit.
It's tough, huh?
He did his thing. Yeah, I feel like a bad bitch.
Yo.
Hold on. Damn.
It's on SoundCloud. He's gonna for fire.
Bro.
Yeah, take the camera. Take my camera.
Yo, what's good, y'all? Oh, let me talk to y'all real quick. I go by Jerry Cut, you know what I mean? It's my brother. I just met him like 2 weeks ago. Stuff like that. You know, we doing cool stuff like this, you know? For sure. Y'all gonna see me in the car scene real soon. You know what I mean? Real soon. Real soon. See and get my money up first. Y'all go subscribe to me though at Jerry Cut. You know what I mean? We just do stuff over there, you know what I mean? We just do stuff, anything. For real. Just be me. Okay. Yeah, we got this kid over there. You know what I mean? Now he's being W man. Hey, nah, I really messed with that dude. Look at him. Cute ass nigga. Look at this cute ass nigga. Cute as shit, bro. Look at him. Hey, yo! You know, so, like, it's a good guy. It's a great guy. Subscribe. I'm yapping right now. And, you know, things like that. Subscribe.
This shit tough.
This is how I feel about you. Listen. Oh, this I hold. Oh, this I hold. This I hold. Oh, this I hold.
Straight? I know the wheels are torqued, right? Huh? Turn.
Oh my. Kind of far from the wall.
I can go up and then turn this way. Don't turn it. Straight.
This guy almost cooked his wheels.
What was that? It was that, right?
It's a piece of wood, eventually.
I think I gotta just lower the collar here. I don't want to work on the cars, man.
You can't even.
But you just take this
It's a
shop
cut.
and fuck it up too.
If you all lower, because it's already sitting on it.
I'm not like, this year's the year I'm actually gonna do what I want to do.
Fuck it, just get an M.
Nah, it's too expensive.
I usually be on some thought shit, bro. But this girl got me feeling some type of way, bro. It's crazy.
Yo.
Y'all think love at this age is real?
Be your own thing.
She's not the one?
I'll say it.
Don't waste your time,
It's
man.
so
Look, this guy's so negative.
Just don't waste your time. Don't waste your time, bro. Yo, if you just feel that one bitch in path that was drilling you, bro. Come on, bro.
Love is real.
What do you have to say about that?
I gotta do so much work on the upper as I'm on a different way. I'm not even thinking about that right now.
That's his girl.
Hell no, bro. Like, no offense, but people who name their cars, bro, like, yo, chillax, bro. Like, it's just a car.
me for?
No offense, bro.
Ruby never lets me down.
Yeah. Okay, but Ruby's a valid name. Like,
Yeah, Ruby's valid.
you do you, man.
Why you lying for the camera?
Hey, no cap. That's the only reason. I'm not even gonna lie. That's the only reason I got into cars, bro. I'm gonna keep it, yo. I thought that would have worked out, but it didn't, bro. It's a lie, man. Don't get into cars if you got 6K wheels, bro. They're gonna be like, damn, bro, what else you got? It don't matter, bro. Right, bro. That ain't gonna help, man. I only got into cars.
Go help?
That's the only reason I got into it.
Damn, bro. Game is not game. Game is not game, bro.
I gotta get into like cooking or something. Bro.
Cooking? Oh my god!
Gotta have that, you know what I'm saying? On some calm shit, though.
Yo, the lighting is
Let's go with you.
Right?
Let's go with you.
Flick it up in front of Darcy's house.
Touch that, y'all go dead. Okay. Here with me, I said now. Alright? Me, I read.
What you about to talk? Nah.
What I'm saying?
You trying to get the wheels.
I thought that was like for garbage, bro.
The wheels, you trying to scoop that.
No, he asked if that was yours. That's it.
He asked if it was garbage.
No way, really?
Yeah, the wheels. You see the wheels on the
these
side.
wheels. Oh, I didn't even see the wheels.
I thought this guy
bro.
was talking shit about
Yeah,
my
honestly,
car.
he put it to their car. Nah, you want to take the wheels because you got those
I'm about to sell it.
What y'all think about G37s?
5. Hey, 5.
They have the same engine, no?
Yeah, they do.
Yeah.
Same drivetrain, everything's fucking interchangeable.
Bro, if you want to drip,
Interior's a
buy
nice,
it.
a bit
Say no
nicer.
more. G37 coupe.
Luxury.
Or you could slam it.
That bill is not gonna be luxury though.
Get caught once.
Yo, I'm still caught on the fact that you said you thought that was gonna get you hoes.
I thought it would help me. Bro. No cap.
Hey bro, your parlay sold, fam.
That's enough for
Yeah,
that.
so like you already know what to do.
Sorry, it's too dark.
You know what to do. Subscribe,
Like, comment.
and like.
Can't even see us.
Black as shit. I mean.
Yeah, man. Like, comment, subscribe.
Hood. It's your boy Jerry Cut, you know what I mean?
Yo, hey, yo, fire for that.